Audio and video conferencing question and answers. First is the fill in the blanks. Dash conference is simply when a meeting between several parties is held over the telephone. And the answer is teleconferencing. Teleconferencing. The party instigating the audio conference is known as the calling party. Is called the calling party. Others are known as participants. Video conference is the conduct of a video conference by a set of. Now there can be few answers, so we can just write the answers using the slash sign. So set of telecommunication technology or communication technology along with participants. Breeze can also be used for video conferencing. So we see Breeze and Skype, etc. The dash of the network connection is one of the biggest contributors to quality. The dash of the network connection. Now the quality is dependent on the speed, that is the data rate, and also you can also write in the oblique the data rate as well as the bandwidth. These are the answers which you can put in. Find true and false. Audio conference it takes place with microphone. Yes. The party instigating the audio conference is known as the participant. No. The party instigating the audio conference is known as the calling party. Video conferencing can be used in a host of different environments, which is one of the reasons the technology is so popular. And this is true. Different configuration system, different configuration devices, using the software or application, you can just do the video conferencing. Audio video conferencing does not require any internet connection. Now, if this would have been ignored, if you can ignore audio, this is true. But because audio is there, sometimes audio, even you don't require any data for audio. But we'll put a tick here because we put a cross here because video conferencing does not require any internet connection. This is incorrect because video conferencing does require any internet connection. Write short answers. What is audio conferencing? What is video conferencing? Audio conferencing is the mean of having a conference or a chat or a meeting with the mode audio only, that is only talking. Here we have same thing, means meeting. Having video means audio and video using telecommunication technologies, online, same time, real time streaming of audio and video, talking and meeting and chatting just like you're sitting say in a room. Though the parties can be in different part of the continent or different part of the world. Write the technology requirements for audio video conferencing. So you need a microphone, you need a camera, you need telecommunication technologies, you need internet connection. So these are all the ways. There are fancy things also available. Give some examples where audio video conference takes place. May it be simple chat between two people with family. Say you have a doctor, very busy doctor in US, you have a patient in Namibia, how to talk. There is only one way. He cannot move to this place, doctor cannot come to see him. This is only possible when we can have video conferencing. So there are so many places in the simple way. Business, the most of the time this is used. Government, because government want to show or portray or acknowledge or teach people, this is the way. Who is calling party and participants in context with audio conferencing? The party who instigates or starts the conversation is the calling party. The others are known as participants. So these were the questions.